Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports with the Custom Report Builder in Hubspot. To get started, navigate to the reporting page and click on Reports. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to the reports list. From here, click Create and then select Create Report to begin building a new report. Before selecting a template, it's a good idea to think about what insights you want to gain. Whether you're tracking marketing performance, sales activity, or customer engagement, having a clear goal helps you choose the right report structure and data sources, saving time and reducing the need for edits later. You'll then be redirected to the report builder. Wait for it to fully load. Once inside, you can choose to start with templates, generated reports, or fully custom reports. For this example, I'll start with the template report library. Next, browse through the available templates and select one that fits your needs. After choosing a template, click Next to continue. You'll see all available options, such as ad campaigns with cost per click. Select the template and it will be created automatically. You can also select data sources from multiple objects like contacts, companies, tickets, and products. In addition, you can apply advanced filters such as date ranges. Once everything is set, click Save Report. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.